What are you doing? Hi. Okay. Tootsies.
Oh, it's Godzilla!
Godzilla! Hello everyone, welcome back to Raining Cake. So today I have a familiar face on my channel, my boyfriend Dan.
Hiya.
So you must have all seen him before in our video that we did together, the My Boyfriend Does My Makeup, and if you haven't seen it I will link it in the box below. So today we are back again and we are going to do the Chubby Bunny challenge, and the reason I chose Dan for the challenge is because he is a very competitive person and he's going to want to beat me in this challenge, but I think I can beat him.
Nah.
Yeah, I've got a bigger mouth.
Oh, true.
Does that sound funny? That doesn't sound funny.
Yeah.
Oh. Anyway, so for those who don't know what the challenge is, so basically we have marshmallows and we each have to put one in our mouth and say Chubby Bunny, and the one who can get the most in their mouth wins, basically. Simple enough? Okay, so should I start first?
You start, you can start.
So I'm going to start first. This is really fun.
I'm cheating.
Chubby Bunny.
And I can't eat it.
No!
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. That's two, I got two, yeah?
Two. There's two. Chubby Bunny. That's only three. You haven't said it yet. I can't hear you.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh, that's okay. Number three. Chubby Bunny.
That's number four. Chubby Bunny.
I'll let you have that one. Number four. Chubby Bunny. Oh yeah, this is easy.
I'm crying.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. No, that's okay. There's five? Four or five? Five. No. Chubby. That's fine. Oh, I'm done.
It's number six. I'm trying it.
No. I can't do. Oh, it's all over the place. Chubby.
have now cleaned up because that was a bit messy, wasn't it?
It's a bit difficult.
So we managed to get 6 each, so it is a draw. How do you feel?
I feel alright, but I feel cheated.
Why?
I should have done better. I could have done better.
They were really like really sticky, wasn't it? Like wasn't that
Too
pleasant
sweet.
really? Too
sweet.
But anyways, it was fun.
Yeah. Till next time.
Till next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you maybe another time in another video.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Make sure you click the thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.